Hello student, you were saying that how the people of a village were going into the village fair, by wearing occasional dresses and new dresses. And actually the child about whom we are reading the story, actually his parents is calling him, they are calling him, come child come, called his parents, as he lagged behind, fascinated by the toys and the shops that lined the way. Actually the word lagged means he left behind. And why the child actually left behind? Because he was fascinated by what? Fascinated by toys in the shop, and that were actually lined on the way to the fair. So this is a child's tendency actually to get fascinated by toys, or by things which are for childish things. So he was also fascinated, and he was actually left behind. So his parents is actually calling him to come along with them. Then he hurried towards his parents, his feet obedient to their call, his eyes still lingering on the receding toys. The student responded to his parents' call, but he was actually still looking at the toys, which is now fading from his sight, because he is moving ahead with his parents. Now as he came to where they had stopped to wait for him, he could not suppress the desire of his heart, even though he well knew the old cold stare of refusal in their eyes. But as soon as the child came to a shop where he actually stopped, and he actually at one shop, the child could not suppress his desire. What does this mean? Suppress his desire. He could not control his desire. अभी वो अपनी इच्छा को दबा नहीं सका. And though he knew that his father would refuse, his father actually would refuse and would give him the usual stare. वो जो normally father लोग जैसे घूरते हैं, his fathers will also give him a cold and old, means usual, that the child was very used to of. His parents, his father would again give him the usual stare of refusal to him, but still he expressed his heart desire to buy something from the shop. Where was the shop? And he actually asked his parents to buy him actually that toy. He actually indicated a toy here. Look at the picture. He indicated some toy from the shop, and he actually asked his parents to buy him that toy. He actually pleaded. The word plead means make a deep request to someone. Now let's move into the next page, students. Let's see what happens here. His father looked at him red-eyed in his familiar tyrant's way. His mother, melted by the free spirit of the day, was tender, and giving him her finger to hold, said, "Look, child, what is before you?" Now actually what happens, as the child already knew that his father would never buy him the toy, so his father actually looked at him red-eyed. The word red-eye suggests angrily. His father actually looked at him angrily. He didn't want to buy him because they cannot afford all the desires. They cannot fulfill all the desire of a child, because in village, the budget of village people are generally, these people especially, they were farmers, they were not so rich, they cannot buy all the things that the boy was actually desiring. So seeing that his son has got has gotten sad. Her mother's heart, you all very much used to of mother's heart. She melted means, she got a bit emotional, and that is why. And why she got emotional? Because on that day it was a pleasant day for all of them. It was a joyful occasion. So for the spirit of the day, actually, her mother actually melted, and the word tender means actually gentle, and she gently gave her finger to her son to hold that, and then actually she asked him to look in front, and to look in front. The student before actually means in front. So actually her mother instructed him to look in front and to see what's there ahead.